Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this Spiderweb Halloween nail design. So this is my very last nail design of Halloween 2018. So I went all out with the encapsulated glitter, some gold foiled spider webs and also some bling as well. So if you guys would like to see a complete tutorial on how I created this design, then just keep on watching. So jumping right in with today's tutorial guys, and I'm going to begin by painting my pinky with 2 coats of Kiki London's Blackpool. And then for the middle finger, the pointer finger and the thumb, I'm going in with 2 coats of Gelish structure gel in Cover Pink. And then for the ring finger, I'm going in with 2 coats of Kiki London's Sunset Glow. And again, I applied 2 coats of each of these polishes before curing each for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to start doing a little bit of a gradient on both the middle finger and the pointer finger. So for that, I'm going in with Kiki London's Sunset Glow and I'm going to apply this to the tip of the nail. I do my gradients when I'm working with gel in 3 layers. So for the first layer, I always work on the tip and then I flash cure that for around about 15 seconds just so it doesn't go anywhere. And then I apply my second layer, which is the top layer. So that's going to be the gelish structure. And then I go in and work those 2 colours together, really dab in that sponge so I get a nice blend, and then once again I pop that in to flash cure that nail, and then I just keep repeating the process until I'm happy with the blend and the opacity of both of those colours. And then my last and final step with this gradient is to go in with another layer of that gelish structure gel, and this helps me get a really nice fade between both of the colours. And then when I'm happy with that, I do go ahead and cure that for a full 30 seconds and then I top coat those nails so I have a nice smooth finish for my nail art. So now we're going to start pizzazzing these nails completely up. So I'm first going to apply a layer of top coat to the ring finger, completely covering that nail. And then I'm going to add some top coat to the tip of the pinky nail as well. And then I'm going in onto that wet gel with this absolutely gorgeous glitter mix from Glitter Stella. It's called Bonfire Night and is simply beautiful. I've been itching to use it for ages and these spiderweb nails gave me the perfect opportunity. So I am going to use this glitter mix as my base for my bling nail, so I'm completely covering that whole ring finger but just adding some sparingly to the tip of the pinky, and then I pop that into my LED light for 60 seconds just to make sure the light has penetrated all of that glitter and has completely cured it. So it was at about this point that tragedy completely struck. So I had to stop doing my nails to go and finish off dinner, and I was cutting open a packet of vegetables and I completely sliced my finger, so it was bleeding quite a bit and it was absolutely stinging. So I decided instead of applying the tips again to my nails using nail glue and stuff, I was just going to continue the nail tutorial on my nail tips. So as you can see, it was bleeding a fair bit, so I didn't want to add any glue or things like that, so I'm just going to continue on here. So I did go in next with the Crystal Nails foil glue, and I applied this to both the middle finger. From the middle finger, my spider web's going facing downwards, and then on the pointer finger I did it coming up from the nail tip. So I just start by doing 4 small lines going in a diagonal slant down the side of the nail, and then I follow by curing that for 15 seconds to make sure none of them go anywhere. If if I make any mistakes. And then I go in again with my tiny detail brush and I do semicircles inside those to create the little spider webs. And then when I was happy with that design, I popped that into my LED light for a full cure. Then my next step was to go in and do a little bit of foiling over the top of that foil gel with this absolutely gorgeous gold foil. Not sure where I got it from, but I'm pretty sure it was just a cheapie from eBay. But it worked like a dream. It added little flakes of gold throughout that little spider web, just what I wanted. And then I top coated that nail again and popped that into my LED light for a full cure. So guys, now that we have removed these nails from the light, I went ahead and wiped away the sticky layer, and I'm going to start working on a little bit of bling for the ring nail. So the bling I'm using today is all from the October mystery box from Blue Streak Crystals, and in it you got a really cool mix of crystals, and I also got that awesome little sticker that you saw on my bling box there. But yeah, I have completely changed my storage for my Swarovski crystals, and this is how I'm storing them now. But if you would like to see a complete updated Swarovski crystal collection, then let me know. But yeah, in the bling box, you basically got some of these skulls in AB and Jet. So yeah, while skulls probably do not go with spider webs, I got them today, so I really just wanted to use them because I probably won't use them again until Halloween. So I added a Jet crystal, the little skull one, to the middle of the nail using some builder gel, and then I cured that completely to make sure that was secured. And then I went ahead and surrounded that whole nail, but I did leave little parts of the glitter poking through, and I used flat black crystals in Jet and Tangerine to completely surround that nail. And then when I was happy with that, I did go ahead and pop that into my LED light for 60 seconds while I rotated it, just to make sure the light got underneath all of that crystals and none of them popped off. So yeah, I must admit, while I wasn't entirely over the moon with the Blue Streak mystery box, simply because there was only 2 colours of crystals and that was it. So while it was an October box, I kind of thought you would have got some purples or some greens or some autumnal colours as well, but there was only 2 colours of crystals. And so yeah, I was a little bit disappointed, but I do love the colours of crystals. I just wish there was a little bit more of an array for the price that you're paying. And finally guys, this is what my design looks like once everything is complete. And as you can see, I added a French tip nail using the same glitter and gel polishes as I used in the rest of the design, just to bring the aesthetic of the whole nail design together. And I really hope you guys enjoyed my very last Halloween design of 2018. And I can't believe I'm actually saying it, the year is just going in so fast. But I really hope you guys have a fantastic day and eat so much candy that you're sick, because it's the one time of the year that is perfectly okay. But if you did enjoy today's video guys, please give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie. I am a complete nail polish addict, and on this channel you will find everything from nail art to swatches, reviews and the occasional haul. So if that's something that piques your interest, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that notifications bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.